Greetings and welcome to a Queensland Air Museum cleaning team video. This video shows the process of cleaning the museum's 1:1 scale replica Commonwealth Aircraft Corporation P-51 Mustang. This replica is located in Hangar 2 and was made by Garry and Lyn Scott in honour of Garry's father Alan Scott. Built out of metal with some genuine aircraft parts, such as a Saber's canopy, Cessna wingtips, and various cockpit components from a real Mustang. The markings are based on real ones, but the registration is fictional, and would have been the next number in sequence of Australian P-51 production. Cleaning consisted of rinsing the aircraft down and then rubbing it with brooms in truck washing fluid and vinegar, before washing it off with water. The canopy was then cleaned separately with some glass cleaner. This video shortens the process, but it took me and Riles Hubbard around about 3 hours to finish cleaning the aircraft. We certainly had a lot of fun doing it though, so no complaints there. This display has several features, including fully functioning control surfaces, a real Rolls-Royce Merlin engine sitting in front of the aircraft, and a set of steps that let you walk up to view inside the cockpit and also have a look at some of the details hidden inside of the wings that are visible thanks to a glass panel. I hope you enjoyed having a look at behind the scenes for what it's like when me and Riley clean one of these aircraft at the museum. We have more cleaning videos and Riley has a lot of them uploaded on his TikTok, so you can go take a look at that if you wish. Otherwise, let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future and what other things we can show you behind the scenes at the Air Museum. Thank you very much for watching, and special shout outs to our patrons, Archie, Imo, and Joan Moss. Thank you very much for making these videos possible and supporting the channel.